Welcome to the module How to Participate in Lightning Deals. A lightning deal is a time-bound promotional offer in which an item is featured for certain hours on the Amazon Deals page. By the end of the module, you will be able to create lightning deals, manage lightning deals with ease. To get started, hover over the Advertising tab and click on Lightning Deals. The Lightning Deals dashboard is a simple interface which helps you to manage deals with ease. You can find the list of recommended products for the deal under the Create tab. Deal recommendations appear based on several factors such as product star rating, product eligibility, fulfillment by Amazon, and variation availability. Scroll through the recommendations, identify the product for deal, click on Edit, enter the deal price and the deal quantity, select the week you want the deal to be scheduled on and click on Submit. You can find an option, Advanced Edit, if the deal product has variations. It's recommended to include as many variations available to avoid deal rejection. Click on Advanced Edit. Enter the details for all available variations and click on Submit. You can also find the list of recommended deals by clicking on See All Recommendations. The Needs Action tab displays the list of deals which need to be actioned on. You can check for the deal status under the column Status. The Upcoming and Active tab will display the list of active deals. Not be changed. You can click View to make changes. Deals which are greater than 24 hours. Contact our seller support team if you would like to cancel the deal less than 24 hours prior to the deal scheduled start time. Select the deal you need to cancel and click on the Cancel Deal button. The Recently Ended tab will display the list of recently ended deals from your inventory. The All tab will display all the deals in your inventory with the deal status including cancelled deals. To know more about Lightning Deals, search using the keyword Lightning Deals in Seller Central and click on these options. Thank you and happy selling with Amazon.in.